Hi guys, and today something happened. There was like 3 tornadoes that touched down in like Mulberry or something, I think. I'm doing a video, but luckily my school and where my parents are, my brother also goes to my school. So, there weren't tornadoes, like, that close at all. So, yeah. And, so, yeah. I was just, like, staring at it. Like, they made us stay in a corner after a few minutes of it, and I was just, like, staring at the thing. It was awesome. First of all, it was, like, green, and, you know what? I know this kind of sounds weird and somewhat mean, but I couldn't stop myself from laughing. I don't know why. So, yeah. Okay.